we have subtracting of integers. We have negative 13 minus 1. Again, when we have subtracting of integers, we can always rewrite this as the adding its opposite. First, we copy negative 13 and we have like plus negative 1. Positive and negative give me negative, so I didn't change anything. I still have negative 13, positive and negative, like I said, is negative, so I didn't change our example. And now when I rewrite, we know how to add integers with the same sign. Both of them are negative. So we copy negative sign and we just add in parentheses 13 plus 1. So this is equal negative sign. We rewrite 13 plus 1 is 14. Next example. We have 1 minus negative 15. When we have two negative signs always give me positive sign. Negative times negative is always positive. So we can rewrite this example that this is 1 plus 15. 1 plus 15 is 16. Next example, we have negative 5. Let me copy this. Again, negative and negative. Two negative signs give me always positive. So we have plus 47. So this is equal. We have addition now of integers with different signs, negative and positive. So first we have to check which of these two numbers is greater. 47 is greater than 5. So we check the sign before the greater number is positive. So we copy positive sign, we open parentheses, and from the greater number we subtract smaller. So we have 47 minus 5. Positive sign we copy, and 47 minus 5 is 42. We can rewrite this one more time because we don't need to write positive sign, so this is just 42. This is my solution.